Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video I'll be talking about what's new on the Redmi 7A. So the first major improvement in the Redmi 7A or in this line of series phones would be the rear camera. This phone sports a 12 megapixel rear camera with Sony IMX486 sensor. Now this is the same sensor used in Redmi Note 5 Pro, Redmi Note 7, Mi A2 and the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2. Now all the phones that I just mentioned were launched in India for about 6 to 12 months ago, and all those phones were priced about 10,000 rupees. So it's a pretty great thing that this phone comes with such a good rear camera. By the way, these are the sample pictures. Now the next major change on this phone would be the processor. Now the previous iteration, that's the Redmi 6A, came with MediaTek Helio A22 processor, while this one sports a Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 processor, which is the first 12nm processor with 8 Cortex A53 cores and Adreno 505 GPU. In terms of CPU performance, it is as good as the Snapdragon 450, and then it lags slightly in terms of LTE speeds and GPU performance. With that said, for the HD resolution, gaming experience should be pretty decent. Now the next major change on this phone would be the battery size. This phone sports a 4000 mAh battery that is 33% larger than the one on the Redmi 6A, which came with a 3000 mAh battery. It still comes with a 5W power adapter, so charging can take a bit longer, but you can still use a 10W power adapter. Now the next new feature is pretty unique to this phone. This phone sports a wireless FM radio, so you can use or listen to FM without plugging in your headset. I think many people will really appreciate that. Now the next major improvement on this phone would be the warranty. Unlike any other Redmi or Xiaomi phone or even the Redmi 6A, this phone comes with 2 years of warranty. Right now in this price segment only Realme C2 has it, and now even Redmi 7A has it. So guys, these are the top 5 new things about the Redmi 7A. Besides that, you also get a pretty decent 5.45-inch HD Plus display. It also has a dedicated SD card slot. And finally, this one also comes with splash-proof nano coating, which makes the phone a bit less vulnerable for liquid damage. So guys, those were all the new things about the Redmi 7A. If I missed out on anything, do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you like this video, hit that like button and share it with your friends, and if you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.